Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable. Kotak Mutual Fund presents Invest Mentor in association with Network 18.
Hello and welcome to Invest Mentor, presented to you by Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund in association with Network 18. Now, this is an investor education initiative by Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund, and I'm Sonia Shenoy. Now, a financial advisor is one who provides guidance on how, where and when to invest. The advice they provide could be for a wholesome financial plan or individual investments made towards a larger financial goal. On today's show, we discuss about the true role of a financial advisor. How can an advisor navigate you in a tough market like this and help you focus towards your goals? To discuss all of this and more, I have been joined by two industry stalwarts, Nilesh Shah, the Group President and Managing Director at Kotak Mahindra Asset Management Company, and Manish Mehta, the Joint President and National Head of Sales, Digital Business and Marketing at Kotak Mahindra Asset Management Company. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me on Invest Mentor. Nilesh, I want to start with you because, this is a very tricky time to be in the market, right? Not only are we at all-time highs, but there's so much information available across all forms of social media, on television, in print. So one really doesn't know how to navigate these times. How does, an investment advisor play the role in this case?
An investment advisor is like a doctor. Today, if you fall ill or if you maintain good health, you don't just walk into a chemist shop and demand medicine. You go to a doctor, consult him or her, get prescription, and then go to a chemist shop for buying medicine. Like a doctor prescribes you a good health plan or helps you recover from your bad health, same way an investment advisor helps you draw financial plan and recommend appropriate financial product, including mutual funds for your good financial health.
Manish, your thoughts on the role that an investment advisor plays at this point in time, and also, how does an investor choose who is the right kind of investment advisor for him?
So thank you for having me on the show. And as Nilesh also mentioned, I think an investment advisor is ultimately the custodian of your wealth, and he plays a very critical and a pivotal part in your entire investment journey. At the end, and when you approach an investment advisor, you open up with him in terms of what your aspirations are, what your goals are. How do you like to see yourself, comfortably living, during the entire working journey as well as, post retirement. And he's the person who, or he or she are the people who sort of will help you, handhold you through the entire journey, navigate you, guide you, and ensure that you ultimately achieve what your financial dreams are. So I think it's a very important role that they play, I think, in every investor's journey.
Nilesh, analyzing your risk appetite, I think, is one of the toughest things to do, right, as you begin your investment journey, because you have so many things to consider in that, your income levels, your age, your financial goals as well. How does an investment advisor help you achieve this goal?
So essentially, investment is very commonsensical. Unfortunately, common sense is not easily available. We are all human beings. We are driven by greed and fear. When markets are in bull phase, like currently, the greed takes over. When markets are in bear phase, like in March 2020, fear takes over. And hence, Sarthi zaruri hai. You require a charioteer, you require a navigator, which can help you navigate through the ups and downs of the markets. Many people invest looking at their neighbor's return, but that's not the right way to invest. An investment advisor essentially sits with you, finds out what is your risk profile. Are you a conservative investor, aggressive investor, average investor? What are your investment objective? Are you saving for the short term or medium term or long term? And most importantly, he or she handholds you during volatile, tough time. Investment journey is like a roller coaster. If you try to jump in between, then you will meet with an accident and injure yourself. But if you go with safety precaution and stay throughout the ride, you will enjoy the ride at the end. The investment advisor is that safety precaution on the roller coaster, which ensures that you don't get destabilized with the ups and downs of the market.
So, Manish, what role does an investment advisor play at a time like this? You know, as Nilesh was saying, I mean, in a bull market, everyone thinks that they're doing it right, and now we've reached a stage where the markets are at all-time highs. At this juncture, what is the role of an investment advisor?
Even markets tend to get extremely volatile, like last year March was a phenomenal period of time, extraordinary situation. At that point of time, I think the most important role that an investment advisor played was more psychological. It's about hand holding the investor at that point of time, making his nerves soothe, because there was too much of noise all over the place. I mean, all of us felt that the world is coming to an end, and all our investments are going to go down to the ground. At that point of time, I think the most important thing they did was to ensure that investors don't end up taking an irrational decision and stick to their investment goals. It was a very tough period at that point of time. I'm sure even as an investment advisor, there must have been a lot of big packs they would have got from their investors. But I think they patiently ensured that they are handheld well, they communicated well, they've explained the process of long-term investments, the benefits of long-term investments. And circa today, when you sit today and look in like a rear view, I think a lot of those investors who sort of heard their investment advisors and stuck to their plan and never ended up taking an irrational decisions are a very, very happy lot of investors. I'd like to also just add one more thing that there was a study which was done in Canada, and that study basically said that over they did time periods, 4 to 6 years, 7 to 10 years, and more than 15 years. And the advised portfolios generally tended to, outperform by almost anywhere between 50% to more than 100% in case of people who took advice rather than the unadvised portfolio. So so there's data to also back that, that's the kind of power that an investment advisor is bringing to the table.
Okay, that's great to hear. There's also a behavioral angle to this, right, Nilesh? I mean, we all talk about the monetary angle, but then it's all, at the end of the day, boils down to greed and fear, when to buy, when to sell, and how to hold. So how does an investment advisor help you manage the behavioral aspect of investing?
So I will quote a famous couplet from Mahabharata. When Krishna tells Duryodhan he is on the wrong path, Duryodhan replies, Janami dharmam nachme pravrutti, Janami adharmam nachme nivrutti. Oh great Krishna, please don't tell me what is wrong. I exactly know what is wrong, but I can't desist from it. And please don't teach me what is right path. I exactly know what is right path, but I can't follow it. We all have a Duryodhan living inside us. We know eating junk food is bad, drinking cola is bad, but we are not able to control our tongue, our taste buds. So we require someone who can help us control our Duryodhan. Everyone knows what is right thing to do, but it's very difficult to walk on the right path. And hence, if you have a North Star, which helps you walk on the right path, it helps you reach Nirvana. For your financial Nirvana, you have to balance your greed and fear. And it's easy to balance greed and fear when you are guided by a North Star, which is your financial advisor.
Manish, comment on that. I mean, the behavioral aspect of it, or what would your advice be to all of those people who say that, oh, I can do it myself? I mean, especially in a bull market where people can't really do any wrong. So it seems, I mean, you really have to have bad luck to lose money in this market, right? At such a time, what role does an investment advisor play?
If I just go back in time, and if I go back to about, say, even 2017-18, when things had started to do well, and there was a lot of advent of investors who probably felt that, I can do this myself. And I mean, I could read about what I need to do and probably take investment decisions in terms of, where to invest and how to invest and how much to invest. When the volatility comes through, the markets come, the general tendency of such investors is to cut their losses and get out. And unfortunately, then we lose such investors to the investment community altogether for a long periods of time. And that is when, when especially when we do IIP meetings and end up meeting such kind of investors, the most common thing that they tell us about is that, oh, the mutual funds and stock markets are only for the Satodias and it's not for people like us. The problem that they are doing is that they know how to get into the street, but they don't know how to navigate it and how to probably get out. That is what the investment advisor comes in terms of guiding them, in terms of what should be the right kind of asset mix. Most importantly, asset allocation. When the going is good, I think most people's asset allocations will get completely skewed towards equities. And it's only when things go bad is when in hindsight you start making statements like, oh, I should have booked my profits, I should have got out, I should have added fixed income to my portfolio. But as a direct investor, probably these thoughts don't come to your mind. That's where the investment advisor will come in and play this critical role of sitting with you on a regular basis, keeping you on check, so that you're as an investor you're grounded rather than flying away all in the air.
All right. Well, we have to talk about many more aspects on why you need to get an investment advisor on board to manage your financial goals. But we'll do that after a short break. Don't go anywhere.
Kotak Mutual Fund presents Invest Mentor in association with Network 18. Kotak Mutual Fund presents Invest Mentor in association with Network 18.
Welcome back. You're watching Invest Mentor, presented to you by Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund in association with Network 18. This is an investor education initiative by Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund, and we have been speaking with two industry experts, Nilesh Shah and Manish Mehta from Kotak Mahindra Asset Management Company, to talk about the importance of having an investment advisor in your life. Well, Nilesh, before the break, we did speak about the importance of an investment advisor as far as behavioral issues are concerned, how and when you should get an investment advisor on board. But I do want to talk a little bit about who needs an investment advisor, because now what we've seen ever since the pandemic has begun, people have made trading or investing their profession. I mean, I know so many people, for example, who have left their professions, their industries have sort of fallen apart post-COVID, and they've moved to trading and investing full-time. What is your advice to them? Who really needs an investment advisor? Is it anyone and everyone? Or are there a certain category of people with perhaps long-term financial goals in mind that need to get an investment advisor on board?
Well, if you have the dedication and hard work of Eklavya, then a Google Dronacharya is good enough for you to invest on your own. But it will require dedication and hard work like Eklavya. For everyone else, Sarthi zaruri hai, advisor zaruri hai. Many people have intelligence and common sense, but they don't have time. Many people have time, but they don't understand markets and products. Many people have time and intelligence, but they want to use it for something better. Now, during the lockdown, many of us started cutting hair at home. But moment lockdown eased, didn't we go to a barber? Even for a menial job like hair cutting, you want to go to a professional. But why not invest on a long-term basis in good products as advised by a good advisor? That way you will be able to diversify your asset. Investment world is very, very complex. Newer and newer products are coming. In existing products, new changes are happening. So if you have a professional watching over you, helping you, supporting you, guiding you, then it is always a value add.
So Nilesh, then just to follow up there, for all the people or investors who are watching you right now, what are the factors that one needs to keep in mind before choosing an investment advisor?
So one, if you move to a new locality and you want to consult a doctor, how do you do it? One, you will ask your neighbors, relatives about reference. So reference is a starting point. Second, when you go to a doctor on reference, you will also go by experience. You will ask him questions. You will try to understand how he or she operates, whether he or she has professional knowledge or not. So reference plus experience gives you a very good set, a very good indicator about quality of financial advisor. Now, normally when you have to file income tax return, you go to a chartered accountant because there is a professional degree. Same way, there are professional degrees for financial advisors, whether it is CFP or financial planning. So go with reference, go with experience, go with professionals, that's a good enough start to choose a right advisor.
I want to understand that a lot of these markets are about making decisions, and a lot of emotional decisions are taken in the markets as well. At a time when the market is going up, everyone's decision seems right. But Manish, same question to you. It's tough to take the right decisions when the market looks like it's at a peak and perhaps, at the start of a correction. At this point, at this juncture, is it the right step to sort of get an investment advisor on board?
I think any time is a good time. Even if you start an investment journey at a very early stage of your career, an investment advisor could play a very, very important and a pivotal role at that level also. You could probably be looking at an investment advisor, probably when you're midway through your investment journey. And then looking at seeing how we can continue to help build the till retirement. So there is no good time or a bad time. I think having an investment advisor will always play a very important role. It's like again, as Nilesh mentioned, a chartered accountant. I mean, you need him every year when it comes to filing your taxes, or in case if there are any advice that you need to go to him for. So why cannot an investment advisor not play that role for you at any stage of your investment journey? As I mentioned, it could be at the very early stage, middle stage, or even at the late stage. I think an investment advisor, and it's only value add that this person, he or she, is looking to add to you. If you follow the advice, and as I mentioned, the data also, I think there's always positivity that this person can add to your investment portfolios. There was a study which was done in the past also, which said that the market returns and an investor's returns have never been the same. And probably one of the main reason to that is that, again, that you probably have exited at the wrong time, or you've entered at the wrong time. Now, in case if there is an investment advisor in this journey of yours, at least he or she will help you ensure that the right decisions are taken at the right point of time. So it could be at any stage of your investment journey. I think an investment advisor can play a very pivotal role.
Okay, Nilesh, before we end this discussion, one final word from your end. Any examples that you can share of how investment advisors have taken the right decisions for investors, not just during bull markets, but during very, very challenging times like the pandemic, which has just gone by?
We have to ensure that the lower middle income, poor people get return on their investment so that they can become rich. And a good advisor will be able to help poor people, lower middle income people, and others do the right investment. We hear so many people losing money on collective investment scheme. Collectively in this century's 21 years, more than 1 lakh crore has been lost in collective investment schemes. Now, these are the people who need good advice. They need to be invested into mutual funds and other safer financial products. And that is where advisor will act as a bridge between manufacturers like mutual funds and investors.
Oh, absolutely, Nilesh. I completely take your point. It is quite unfortunate that so many people still invest in physical assets and are not even able to beat inflation. But you and I are doing the good work of spreading financial literacy and making sure that people invest more in financial assets over the years to come. But Nilesh Shah, Manish Mehta, this has been a very informative session. Thank you very much for taking the time out for this particular episode of Investment. And to you, our viewers, thanks so much for watching.
Kotak Mutual Fund presents Invest Mentor in association with Network 18.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.